You've been grinding in the gym, but your body's not changing. The scale's stuck. The belly's still there. If you're over 40, it's not just age, it's mistakes. Costly ones that are quietly throwing your workout in the trash. Today on Power Life Hack, I'm exposing 11 things that are sabotaging your gains and how to fix them before it's too late. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's go.
Your body's not 25 anymore. Skipping a proper warm-up is like starting your car in freezing weather without letting the engine warm up. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to stretch and move. Your joints and muscles will thank you. Routine is the enemy of results. Your body adapts quickly. Mix up your training. Try height, weightlifting, cardio circuits. Keep the body guessing, and it'll keep improving. More isn't always better. At 40 plus, your recovery is just as important as your reps. Overtraining leads to fatigue, injuries, and even muscle loss. Rest smart. You can't out-train a bad diet. Fuel your body with whole foods, lean proteins, good fats, and slow carbs. And if you're still eating like you're 20, it's time for a nutrition reality check. Dehydration is a silent strength killer. Muscles need water to perform and recover, so keep a water bottle close and sip consistently through the day, not just during your workout. If you're sleeping less than 6 hours, you're killing your gains. Testosterone, recovery, energy, all come from deep rest. Prioritize sleep like you do your workouts. Lifting heavy with bad form, that's a recipe for injury. Ego lifting doesn't build strength. Proper form does. Drop the weight if needed and focus on technique. Cardio's great, but if you're skipping weights, you're missing out. Men over 40 lose muscle fast. Strength training fights aging, builds bone density, and keeps metabolism firing. Stretching isn't just for yoga girls. Tight hips, hamstrings, and shoulders can wreck your form and increase injury risk. Spend 10 minutes post-workout working on mobility. Wandering around the gym without a goal, that's like, driving without a destination. Track your progress, have a plan, and hey, adjust it monthly based on how your body responds. Testosterone, vitamin D, thyroid levels, all of these can totally affect your energy, recovery, and even fat storage. Don't guess. Get your labs done and work with a professional if needed. So, if you've been training hard but still not seeing the progress, maybe you're not lazy. Maybe you're just missing one of these crucial steps. Remember, after 40, it's not just about training harder, it's about training smarter. Cut these habits, and your workouts will finally start to work for you. Your health is your power, and at Power Life Hack, we believe it's never too late to take control of your life. Which one of these mistakes have you made? Drop it in the comments. Let's learn from each other and grow stronger, together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a brother who needs a fitness reset. This is Power Life Hack. Stay strong, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.